Hi everyone, welcome this e-video. Myself Kausalya working as a temporary assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Engineering in Government College of Engineering, Tirunelveli. The topic what we are going to learn in reconnaissance, which comes under Unit 3. Now let me introduce about harvester. Harvester means an excellent tool to use in reconnaissance is the harvester. The harvester is a simple but highly effective Python script written by Christian Martorella at Edge Security. This tool allows us to quickly and accurately catalog both email addresses and subdomains that are directly related to our target. It is important to always use the latest version of the harvester as many search engines regularly update and change their systems. Even subtype changes to a search engine's behavior can render automated tools ineffective. In some cases, search engines will actually filter the results before returning information to you. Many search engines also employ throttling techniques that will attempt to prevent you from running automated searches. The harvester can be used to search Google, Bing, and BGP servers for emails, hosts, and subdomains. It can also search LinkedIn for user names. We have already discussed the dangers of posting to public forums using your corporate email address. However, there are additional hazards you should be aware of. Let us assume during your reconnaissance you discover the email address of an employee from your target organization. By twisting and manipulating the information before the symbol, we should be able to create a series of potential network user names. It is not uncommon for organizations to use the exact same user names and email addresses before the symbol. With a handful of prospective user names, we can attempt to brute force our way into any services like Secure Shell VPN. VPN means Virtual Private Networks, or FTP. FTP means File Transfer Protocol, that we will discover during step 2 scanning. The harvester is built into Kali. The quickest way to access the harvester is to open a terminal window and issue the command the harvester. If you need the full path to the program and you are using Kali, the harvester and nearly all other tools can be found in the /usr/bin/directory. However, recall that one major advantage to Kali is that you no longer need to specify the full path to run these tools. Simply opening the terminal and entering the tool's start command will invoke it. Next, for example, to run the harvester, open a terminal and issuing the following command, the harvester Next, you could also issue the full path to run the program /usr/bin/the harvester. If you are using a different version of Backtrack or Kali, or are unable to find the harvester at the specified path, you can use the locate command to help find where the tool is installed. In order to use the locate command, you need to first run the update dp command. Next, to find out where the harvester is installed on your system, open a terminal and type the command update dp. Next, followed by the command locate space the harvest. The output from the locate command can be very verbose, but careful review of the list should help you determine where the missing tool is installed. As previously mentioned, nearly all the penetration testing tools in Kali are located in a subdirectory of the /usr/bin/folder. Regardless of whether you have downloaded the harvester or used to version pre-installed on your attack machine, we will use it to collect additional information about our target. Be sure you are in the harvester folder and run the following command: /the harvester .by eds space ed at syncris.com hyphen L10-B Google. This command will search for emails, subdomains and the host that belongs to syncris.com. Before discussing the result of our tool, let us examine the command a little closer. Opening the double quotes, /the harvester.by, closing the double quotes, is used to invoke the tool. A lowercase open the double quotes -d and close the double quotes is used to specify the target domain. A lowercase -l, that is an L, not an 1, is used to limit the number of results returned to us. In this case, the tool was instructed to return only 10 results. The -b is used to specify what public repository we want to search. We can choose from a wide variety including Google, Bing, BGP, LinkedIn and more. For this example, we choose to search using Google. If you are not sure which data source to use for your search, you can also use the -b or switch to simultaneously search all the repositories that the harvester can use. Now that you fully understand the command used to run the tool, let us take a look at the result. As you can see, the harvester was effective in locating several email addresses that would be of value to us. Please note that the email addresses in the screenshot have been obfuscated. The harvester was also successful in finding two subdomains. Both booksite.syncris.com and www.syncris.com need to be fully reckoned. We simply add these new domains to our target list and begin the recognize process again. This is the output of the harvester. Last one, step 1 of reconnaissance is very cyclical because in-depth reconnaissance often leads to the discovery of new targets, which in turn lead to additional reconnaissance. As a result, the amount of time to complete this phase will vary from several hours to several weeks. Remember, a determined malicious hacker understands not only the power of good reconnaissance but often has the ability to spend a nearly limitless amount of time. As an aspiring penetration tester, you should devote as much time as possible to practicing and conducting information gathering. Thank you.